Alright, this is Mark Weens with migrationology.com, and I'm about to start a indefinite journey, so I'm going to show you guys a little bit of what I'm going to take along with me. So let me give you a brief panorama of what I'm taking. Here it is. I have it all laid out on the bed over here. And we'll go down. Here I've got the day pack, as well as the large backpack, which I'll be packing everything into. This time I'm bringing along with me a sleeping bag. I've got all kinds of important photocopied documents in here in case I need to get out of trouble or get a job, perchance. I've got a string, towel. Definitely got to have the netbook, the mini laptop with me. This little guy right here, clutch item. Some random toiletries. Got the Leatherman. I got all the accessories I need for the digital camera, the tripod, the money wallet, the mini iPod. You got some Ziplocs here, as well as some extra straps. Right here we have the spoon fork, clutch item for all your munching intentions. Sunglasses. Another very key item right here is the headlamp. Can't stress it enough. Key item. Got a stack of books which I can be reading and then passing on or exchanging along the way. Let's see, we got 3 pairs of underwear this time, 3 t-shirts, 3 pairs of socks, rain jacket, 2 pairs of shorts, and 2 jeans, which I can be discarding along the way. Over here we've got a pair of flip-flops, got the Havainas, clutch item, as well as the Chaco heavy-duty trekking sandals, clutch choice indeed. And last but not least, we got the ultimate, the Salomon XT wings, a necessary pair of shoes for all kinds of activities, waterproof, everything proof, fireproof. You gotta have the Salomon XT wings. Anyway, that's just about all I've got, and that's about all you need for an indefinite journey, I must say. Mark Weens, migrationology.com. Take it easy.